Everything you see in the universe looks real. The stars, the galaxies, the glowing bands of the Milky Way stretching across the night sky. But most of it is an illusion. When you look at the heavens, you are not seeing the present moment. You are staring into the past, thousands, millions, even billions of years ago. Every point of light above you is a memory, a relic of something that might no longer exist. Some of those stars have already died. Some galaxies have drifted far from where you see them now. The sky is not a map of where things are, but of where they once were. So the question is, if everything we see is from the past, what does the real universe look like right now? And deeper still, do we ever truly see reality? Light takes time to travel, and that delay shapes everything we know. When you gaze at the moon, you see it as it was 1 1/3 seconds ago. The sun, 8 minutes ago. The nearest star, Proxima Centauri, 4 years ago. The most distant galaxies, 13 billion years in the past. The further we look, the older the story becomes. We are not witnesses of the present, but archaeologists of light, piecing together a cosmic history from photons that began their journey long before Earth existed. The universe we see is not unfolding before us. It is replaying itself, one beam of light at a time. In the early 20th century, Edwin Hubble pointed a giant telescope toward the sky from Mount Wilson in California. What he discovered changed everything humanity believed about the cosmos. The galaxies were not still. They were moving away, stretching their light into red, like the deepening tone of a siren fading into distance. The universe was expanding. That meant every photon that reached Earth was a traveler from the past, carrying ancient information through space-time. The further away something was, the older the light we saw. We were not just looking outward, we were looking backward through a tunnel of time. Today, the James Webb Space Telescope continues that same search, but with eyes far more sensitive than Hubble's. It peers through clouds of cosmic dust to glimpse the very first galaxies ever formed. What it reveals is not the universe as it is now, but as it once was, more than 13 billion years ago, an era when stars were newborn and space itself was young. Webb's golden mirrors do not show us the present. They show us the universe's childhood, frozen in light, that has been traveling toward us since before our planet was born. Even the light from our own Milky Way is delayed. The glow you see when you step outside at night is not current. It is a collection of ghosts. Every star you admire may have already shifted, exploded, or dimmed long ago. You are watching an illusion crafted by distance and the finite speed of light. The entire universe is a projection, its true form always hidden just beyond the reach of time. Every glance at the sky is an act of faith, faith that what we see, though false in the present, still holds truth in memory. Perhaps that is the strange beauty of it. The universe we see is not the real universe. It is a record of everything that has ever been. Reality itself is always one step ahead, moving faster than our perception, leaving us to chase after its shadow. Every image of the cosmos, every nebula, every star, every glowing arc, is a photograph of what was, not what is. And yet, these illusions are the only evidence we have that the universe ever existed at all. So, maybe the lie is not meant to deceive us. Maybe it is how the universe tells its story. In echoes, in reflections, in light that has traveled across billions of years just to reach the fragile eyes of a species learning to understand it. The night sky is a memory written in light, a silent chronicle of everything that came before. And as we look up, we are reminded of a truth more profound than any illusion, that to see the universe is to see time itself. If everything we see is a lie, then what would it mean to finally see the universe as it truly is? Would we recognize it, or would it recognize us?